Lincoln Row is a lively 10-block stretch with fantastic shopping, beaming sidewalk cafes, and delicious restaurants. More art. Look, there's fish here. Look, art. Now, this is art. I don't think this is art. And this is the real art. Láparos designed for Lincoln Row, complete with gardens, fountains, and shelters, reflected Miami modern architecture, or MIMO, style that Láparos pioneered in 1950s. Lincoln Row features the architecturally acclaimed 1111 Lincoln Row parking garage, World Center concert hall, and over 200 designers boutiques.